There's a chicken on the road. Why chicken cross the road? Gonna want candy, that's why.
Happy Halloween! Were you supposed to be late? How are you? Oh no, Darth Vader has to go to school. He's gotta learn how to build his empire, I guess, huh? I never knew Princess Belle and Darth Vader had to go to school too. That's cool. Fun in school. Remember, I am your father. Alright, go ahead, little lady. Lots of superheroes. Alright, baby girl. I'll see you later. Ooh, cool. Alright, have a happy Halloween, alright? I love you.
Happy Halloween!
Yeah, happy Halloween. Yo, someone's ready to go trick-or-treating. I think it's gonna be a super trick-or-treat. Uh-oh, super mom? Yeah. Ready?
Go to Auntie's house. Go ahead. Go ahead. Trick or treat! Hi there.
Get a
Hi, Auntie. Oh.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Our first trick-or-treat.
You're so cute. She's gotta crack it.
Thank you. Ooh, come on, dance. Look at your first Halloween. Woohoo! What's that? You still have to get over it. Look at you.
Darth Vader dog. Yeah, you trick or
Remember, you
treating.
got so many.
But mostly for brother and sister. Yeah. Oh, sumo wrestle. Ellie. Hi. The same. Sign.
Just like us.
Just one.
One or two.
Okay, just pick one. Come on, let's go. Say thank you. Look at the moon. It's like a watermelon cut off. You lots of candy?
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
see.
Ready? Is it enough? Oh, there's Aladdin. His magic carpet. Oh, where's Jasmine? Whoa. Yay. Oh, getting heavy? There's a chicken on the road. A giant chicken. Why chicken cross the road? I know. Gonna want candy, that's why. Darth Vader. Is is it getting heavy? No. Oh, there's Aladdin again. Well, look at that house right there. Lots of ghosts. Look at the pumpkin singing.
Look at the
Cool.
pumpkin, Jake.
It's a singing pumpkin. Thank you. Happy Halloween. Look at the ghost. You know how to do it. Go around. Look at the eye. It's blinking. Trick or treat. Say thank you. Belle. Thank you.
Pumpkin looks nice.
The Halloween decoration.
Thank you.
Thank you. Huh? And more candy. Picture.
What do you say?
Thank you. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Mama, I don't want more candy.
You don't want any more? Let me see. Let me see your...
I know
Oh,
food.
it's full now. Belle has to go home. Doggy. Oh, cute. Look at the dog. Whoa, scary clown. Ah, get out of here. Look at Super Baby. Super Baby not allowed to have candy yet. He's enjoying the scenery. Come on, be careful.
Look, man,
Across, oh, Aladdin again. It's right there in the corner. Whoa. Spooky, spooky. Lots of people here. Lots of people. Trick-or-treating. Whoa. A lot more kids here. Wanna go swimming? Look, this lady's ready to go swimming.
Oh my goodness.
Let's see who has more.
Look at Ellie.
So this is new right here. This is pretty interesting.
I want this.
Capri Sun and
Mine.
chips.
Whoa.
Whoa, dump it. Oh, yeah.
I have more.
Hey, look, a Kit Kat one. What was that? Solid dark Kit Kat. And Doritos.
Wait, I need to get something. I actually have more than Mila though. Look at it.
We have a goodie bag here.
That's funny, like,
Honey.
Whoa.
Then I have more than Mila though.
Oh, yeah. Anything interesting, Jake? Out of the ordinary?
What's in the goodie bag?
Look at how he's collecting. Just don't put anything in your mouth. You can play.
Dada, this is what inside the candy. What's in candy?
Oh, super lady. Super baby girl is frustrated. She's frustrated. She can't open it, even though hers are super strength.
Where's that? Let's see what's inside that goodie bag.
Ooh, all right. Almond Joy. Oh, man. Man like an almond joy.
ready, Mel?
Ready?
Okay.
Let's see what's
Butterfingers.
And then it's another butterfinger.
A lot of Butterfingers.
I want to eat.
Has a lot of Butterfingers. Oh, look at our super baby girl. Still can't open it.
Dada, I got you your favorite.
Your favorite.
Wait, ghost.
Tiny.
Super girl. Hey, super baby, frustrated. She's super frustrated.
I've never seen this one.
Dark chocolate.
Kit Kat dark.
Eating a treat.
This is mine right here.
Say
Gummy.
happy Halloween.
Well, that's
Happy Halloween, super baby. Happy Halloween, good girl.
crunch. This is my favorite. Come on, Ellie, only eating. Look, Mom. I'm trying to eat it.
Super baby coming. Do do do. Super baby. Come here. Hi, super baby. Super baby. Where you going? Uh-oh, where's she going? Where's super baby going? Where's super baby going? Dude, where's she going? She gonna fight crime. Oh no. Super baby.
Oh, super baby. Using her super
Oh no, she found the candy. Good work.